Hello guys, this is Jericho from Line Table Screen Printing. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make action in Photoshop. I'm going to make a spot color action. So if you cannot afford an action software in Photoshop for screen printing, why not make it for ourselves? So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process and the easy way to do it. This will help you to finish the color separation faster, especially on many colors that needs to be separated. In just one click, you can separate the color fast. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome back guys, I already opened my Photoshop and I'm going to use this design that I made on Illustrator. The design is just a letter that have 4 colors so that we can demonstrate it like a CMYK color design. We're going to make 2 actions. The first one is for channel color separation and the next one is the layer color separation. So let's start our tutorial, but first, if you don't see your action tab on Photoshop, just go to Window Menu tab and then choose the action to reveal the action tab. Now that we open our action tab, next is, you can see there's an icons at the bottom of the action tab. Just click the create new set. Then name it like spot color or anything you like, and then click OK. And then after that, let's create a new action by clicking the icon here. You can name it like spot color for channel. Then you can choose any color you want. Then let's start recording. But before that, let me explain what is action is. Action is like recording tape or sound, but in Photoshop, action is going to record all the thing you do on Photoshop, and then you can play it again and again. So we're going to record our step on how to make a spot color in channel and then play it again in the next color. So let's start. Go to action menu, is on the right side of the action tab. Then click the insert menu item. And then go to select menu, then click the color range, then click OK. Then let's stop first the recording so we can proceed to our next step. This is important so we can make the proper action for this tutorial. Then select the spot color for channel that we made and then play it. Oops, if you see this error, that's because we don't select any layer on the layer tab. Let's stop it first and then select the layer tab and then let's play it again. And then after that, let's choose any color you want to separate. The fuzziness must be set on 0 and then check the invert, then click OK. Then select the color range so that it will continue our recording, and then let's start recording again by clicking the record button. Then next, go to select menu, then click the inverse to inverse the selection. Then after that, go to channels tab, but first let's go to action menu again and then select the insert menu item. Then go to color tab, then click the color menu, then select the copy color hex code. Then click OK. We will use this later on channel layer to select the correct color of that layer. Then go to action menu again, then select the insert menu item. Then go to channel menu, then select this new spot channel, then click OK. So that's it, we're done. Stop the recording. So that's how easy to make it. But let's try it first if this is working. Select the spot color for channel that we made and be sure that the layer is selected. And then play it. Just select the color you want to separate. I will choose the cyan color. Be sure that the fuzziness is 0 and then the invert is checked, then click OK. Then click the color. Then just hit the Ctrl V to paste it, then click OK, then rename it, then click OK. Then let's go to channel. Let's see if this is working. I think it's working. You can see our cyan channel layer. So our spot color for channel action is working properly. We can now try it to other colors. So let's try it. Let's go back to RGB by clicking it. Then click the layer tab. If still the layer is selected, then let's play it again. You can see that the yellow channel is created properly. We can also still add some script to our channel. So let's add the select RGB. How to do that? Just select the last part of the recording and then click the record button again. And then let's click the RGB channel so that it will record it. Then stop the recording. So it will automatically return to RGB channel after it create the channel layer. So let's try it again. You can see after the channel layer is created, the channel layers go back to RGB. Then let's separate the last color. You can see just clicking it, then select the color you want to separate. You can separate it fast. You don't need to do the long process again and again in every color. So that's how the Action Photoshop works. So let's try recording the color separate on layers. Again, let's create a new action set. Then name it again like spot color for layers. Then choose your color. Then let's start recording. Then go to layer, then select the flatten image so that it will flatten all the layers you have on your design. Then go to action menu, then select the insert menu item. Then again go to select menu, then select the color range. Then click OK. I pressed the wrong key, so let's tap it first, then delete it by dragging it on the trash bin. Then let's play the action again, then choose the color you want to separate. This process is like the same that we do earlier. Then select the last part, then let's start recording again. Then go to select menu, then select the inverse. Then hit the Ctrl J on your keyboard to create a new layer for that color. Then let's stop our recording. You can see the color yellow is separated. So that's how to create action on layer. I think that we don't need the flatten image on our action, so let's delete it. So that's it. So let's finish to separate all the colors using our action. So I think our action we made is working properly. You can see all the color have a separated layers. So let's try it in a real design. So we're going to use this bushy design on Jury. Let's make background color and merge it. Then let's play our spot color for channel action. You can see the color is separated properly on channel. Now let's try to play the spot color for layers action. It is also working, so that's it guys. This is just a basic spot color separation. If you know better color separation, you can record it it on action the way I do it so that it will ease your work, so you don't do the same process again and again for color separations. If you can record it, why not? And also guys, I will save this action and upload it so that you can use it if you want. So that's it. I hope you learned something new. If you have questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and we will answer it. Thank you guys. So that's it. If you like our video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos about line table screen printing tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.